Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse. In this video, we are going to be checking out the Thule Epos, Thule's new foldable platform-style hitch-mounted bike rack. The Epos is available in both 2 and 3 bike capacities and offers plenty of standard and optional features that take this rack to the next level. The Epos lamp kit, an additional add-on, adds wiring to the rack that plugs right into your vehicle's factory or aftermarket trailer hitch wiring for fully functional and integrated lights connected to your vehicle's running lights, brake lights, and turn signals. Integrated wheels come standard on the Epos, and its folding, compact design makes wheeling this bike rack to and from your vehicle pretty effortless. Tool-free installation is also standard on all Epos models, and the rack tightens into the hitch receiver with this new pivoting lever design and can be locked using the included lock set and keys. The Epos is compatible with Thule's EasyFold XT long accessory ramp to assist with loading heavier bikes onto the rack. This ramp can be installed and removed easily and folds up for compact storage inside the vehicle. A foot lever front and center allows for the Epos to tilt away from the vehicle for easy access to the rear cargo area. This action is also still very doable with heavy bikes loaded on the rack. The Epos can accommodate tires up to 3.2 inches in width out of the box, or up to 5 inches wide with the XXL wheel strap sold separately. The rack features an extremely adjustable arm that grabs the frame of the bike as its main form of attachment. This arm pivots independent of the tray and utilizes a pivoting and telescoping cradle to accommodate almost any style of bike frame. Bikes up to 75 pounds each can be loaded onto the 2-bike version of the Epos. The 3-bike model bumps your total rack weight limit to 160 pounds. The process of loading bikes on the Epos is very user-friendly. By positioning the cradle on a favorable mounting location of the bike frame and routing the reinforced strap around the frame and into the buckle, the cradle will provide a secure hold on the bike with a pad on the strap for protection. You can lock the cradle with the supplied key set to prevent the tension from being released from the strap for an effective theft deterrent. Wheel straps secure both the front and rear wheels by feeding them into the buckle and ratcheting them down until they are tight. Removing a bike from the Epos is essentially the loading process in reverse, starting with the wheel straps, then the frame strap. The optional long ramp makes unloading bikes from the rack a breeze with no lifting required. When all is said and done, fold the Epos back up into its stowed position for a smaller width profile behind the vehicle. Or don't. What you do with your rack isn't our business. That will do it for our video on the Thule Epos. If you have any questions on this rack, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.